Ginebra versus Terraferma sa first game and in-exploit agad ng Jin Kings yung weakness ng Jeep, which is yung kakulangan ng rim protection. They just went on an alley-oop execution to Japet Aguilar and yung green shirts didn't even bother to contest that one. Good opening scene for the white shirts. Again, patuloy yung Ginebra sa ganong action. PNR with Troy, easy 2 points. And then alley-oop pass na naman kay Japet with that early energy to build momentum. And dahil sobrang takot na yung Jeep na mapasahan na naman ng alley-oop inside, halos lahat sa kanila is nagsag sa paint. Kaya libreng-libre naman si Jeremiah Gray sa outside for the 3-point shot. Wala rin talagang defensive identity yung Jeep to match up with these runs ng Ginebra. Simple drive ni Scotty, hindi nila mapigilan. Tsaka sa extra pass, slow yung communication sa rotations, leading to more open shots for Ginebra. And like playing the game with no effort itong mga naka-green. And in the second period, nabigyan ulit ng green light yung bench to do their thing. Isa kasi sina RJ at Sonny na playing outside the system. They want to create on their own, which nasa-showcase naman nila kapag may ganitong opportunity. Pero coach team really making this game na isure nila kasi nandiyan pa rin si Japet inside despite na merong roster advantage yung Jins. Hanggang sa walang nagawa yung Jeep. First half pa lang masasabi na nating it's over. Natapos ang laro 108-77. Dito naman tayo sa second game, Phoenix versus Meralco. Battle of the two rising stars and nagpakita agad si CJ Cancino with his 3-point shot and we'll talk more about him later. Yung Phoenix goes to Perkins to open up this game, switching to Chris Newsome kung saan siya may height advantage and it paid off early. Meralco din yung nagkaroon ng paint advantage. Bates getting the best of Kai in this opening frame. Tapos CJ Cancino again hitting a 4-pointer, showing yung kanyang consistency every game. Here's a reload naman in the corner for another outside shot. Grabe lang yung performance niya this conference. What a start for the Bolts. In the second period, Phoenix is trying to get close pero bigla na namang uminit si guwapito ng Meralco na si Jansen Rios, hitting 3-point shots para manatiling Meralco yung may control ng laro. Then, sinundan ng bully ball gaming ni Hodge. And, ayun, yung Fuel Masters has no answers. Sa endgame, Phoenix came close because of the veteran plays from R.R. Garcia, making this a 5-point game, and then si Perkins makes it a 3-point game. Pero this was a lazy and a bad idea from Taffen na mag-flop. With that, Chris Newsome is wide open for the 3-point shot. Nabawi naman yon ni Ken Taffen sa kabilang banda in the corner. Pero binawi din naman ulit ni Newsome sa corner din para hindi makalapit yung Phoenix. As just tuwing may run yung Phoenix, Meralco laging may sagot. And that's the dagger. And we're going to talk about CJ Cancino. He is averaging 18 points per game and yung team niya is above 500. And every game, he is showing off. I think he needs to be in the conversation para sa best player of the conference. This is high-level consistency, lalo na sa PBA na liga, na minsan yung mga players is on and off pero si CJ always there. Back-to-back best player of the game also. Depende kung sino sa kanila ni Juan yung may team na makaabot ng top 4 come playoff time.